Hi guys, Aniq here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we're going to be unboxing this USB flash drive. So it's in this box. It's a black box, nothing much. So let's open it. Okay. So we opened it. We first see the manual, which say that you're supposed to download this app called Usbc, and then it also has instructions as to how you're going to transfer files and stuff. Yes, see that? Let's put this to the side. And then in here, in the box, we now have the flash drive, and you can also see there's a USB to USB-C adapter. So let's take them out. Okay. So first we have this simple USB to USB-C adapter. This can be used to put in phones that have USB-C or Macs and stuff. You guys can see that. Then we have this flash drive. So this flash drive, it's 256 GB, and the good thing about this is that it has more than one port. So over here you guys can see there's a lightning connector, and then with this slider you can slide it up the other way and you make it into a USB. And then in the USB, you can lift up the part of the USB to make it into a micro USB. You guys can see that. So now you can plug the micro USB into micro USB phones and other devices. The USB can go into laptops, desktops, stuff like that. And then you have the lightning, which is for Apple. Okay, so over here we have some devices. So you can see that, like, if you can take out the USB part, plug the USB part into the iPad. I mean, not the iPad, the adapter, and then you plug the adapter into the iPad. And now you have a USB flash drive for your iPad. And then once it's in, it starts glowing red or something. It starts blinking red. You can see. We also have an iPhone right over here, which you can just slide it down. And then now you have the lightning, and you plug in the lightning right into there. And now it works like that. Now we also have this Amazon Fire tablet, which has micro USB. You guys can see right over here. And this is the exact same thing. So for every mobile and iPad device, you have to download the Usbc app to use it. So you plug this right here and you can use it like that. And then lastly, we have a laptop. This here, you can, in the USB part, and you plug the USB in. So here you are. This USB is pretty cool. It has lots of uses. We're gonna use it for like transferring a video from here to our desktop and stuff. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Remember to like this video and remember to hit the bell icon. Bye.